What's going on, guys? Junior here with Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube, bringing you 5 wheels under $1,000. Now you might be like, wait a second, you guys have already done this video. Well, it's 2020, new styles, new designs, so we're here again bringing you more of them. If you do want to see the other ones, it's going to be linked below to check out the first 5 wheels that we picked for under $1,000. Now, a lot of this is subject to like bias or opinions and stuff like that, because obviously like wheel designs all different. People have different designs and styles they want to go with, but here's generally overall some of our top picks, something we wanted to share with you guys. Now, these are in no particular order and pricing might change a little bit here or there, but none of these are on sale. So as of right now, what we're looking at, these are all under $1,000, and they're all linked below, so you can check them out, check out different sizes if you want to spend a little bit more, a little bit less, all of that fun stuff. In addition to that, if you guys want to package them with tires, we hook you up with free mount, balance, and ship, and you're probably gonna get a little bit of a discount off the tires as well. So keep that in mind as you're checking out these 5 wheels under $1,000. Let's get into it. First one we picked out is the Off-Road Monster M22 in a 20x10 -19 offset. Now this wheel is like a super simple design overall. It's just got curved spokes, but then the milling is all painted red, so it really just pops. I think on a red truck this would look really good, or even like an all blacked out truck. And it's got Off-Road Monster like embezzled into the lip around the edge of the wheel, and that's about it. It's just a super clean, simple design, but it looks good. And I think on a level truck it would really kind of make a statement, and it's also super affordable at $836 for a set of 4. Next up for you guys, we have the Savage Off-Road SA18 in a 20x12 -44 offset. Pretty straightforward, simple wheel. It's got like an angled spoke with like a little bit of a kick at the end of each one of them, but just a super clean overall wheel. And the size that it comes in, it's got a lot of different options there for you, depending if you're going leveled, lifted, all that fun stuff. In a 20x12, these things are like close to the top of our price range of under $1,000. These are at $996, but the like simple clean look that you get out of it I think is definitely worth it, especially in a 12 wide as well. Next up for you guys, in no particular order, is the Karma Off-Road K21, and this is another 20x12 -44 offset. This wheel is like a simple 8-spoke design, but every single spoke is a split spoke, so there's actually like 16 spokes, but not really. But the wheel is just overall just a super clean design, and then the lip between the spokes is like an endless lip. I don't know what you want to call that, but there's no ridge. So the lip goes the whole depth of the wheel, and the spokes are just super straight, super simplistic. It does have the rivets around the outside, but looks super good overall. I think I said super like 14 times. Super awesome, Superman, super wheel. The wheel just overall looks really clean, really simple. It does have the rivets around the outside, but it's just a good looking wheel, and coming in at $920, this is closer to the top of our price range, under $1,000, but the wheel you're getting out of it looks good. I think it'd look good on almost any vehicle. It's just a super basic, simple design that looks great. Next up for you guys is another 20x10, but it's also the cheapest one on this list, and it's the Vision Sliver 360, and it's a 20x10 -25 offset. This wheel, I'm pretty sure it came out at SEMA last year, and it looks super simple. This one's satin black, but there's also gloss black and milled, and then there's also chrome on top of that. But this one is the satin black. It's a super simple wheel again. It's a 6-spoke wheel, and it's like a Y split spoke, so it kind of comes up with the stem and has like a kicker spoke off of it, and then they're all kind of angled. But it's such a busy wheel, I don't think it matters that it's not a true directional wheel, if you want to call it that, because it's just got a big design going on, and it's also, just like the last wheel that we talked about, has that endless lip, so there's no ridge separating the lip and showing you how big the lip is. It just kind of endlessly goes through the whole width of the wheel, giving you the illusion of a bigger lip than you have. This one comes in at $804, and like I said, it is the cheapest one on our list, but that doesn't mean that quality's compromised or anything like that. Vision's been around for a while. You've seen a lot of people running Vision wheels. They've been at SEMA multiple years in a row now, and they've had a lot of really good wheels, and this is another really good one, also super affordable. The last wheel on our list, we made it to the end, the DX4 Skull. Now, this one's probably my favorite wheel on this list personally. I love the way it looks. This one is a 22x11.5 -40 offset. And if you're like, wait, what? Did you read that right? What numbers are those? What does that even mean? Yeah, it's an 11.5 wide, which I'm not sure why DX4 did that as a newer company, but I think I might know. If you put an 11.5-inch wide wheel wrapped in a 12.5-inch wide tire, you're gonna have a little bit of protection there, which a lot of people are going for. A lot of people won't go for 12 or 14 wides because you're putting a tire on that's like 12.5 inches wide or 13.5 inches wide, or they're not wide enough to give you the protection you need. Well, on an 11.5-inch wide wheel, you're gonna have that extra half-inch on each side if you have a 12.5-inch wide tire, which, like we said, you can package tires with these bad boys, run a whole setup, and you'll be looking pretty good price-wise overall. So this wheel, the DX4 Skull, it's a 7-spoke wheel with like a directional tip to it, and then there's cutouts on each of the spokes. And the top one's fully cut out, and then the bottom one is like half cut out kind of. It's like an indent, but the wheel just is, it's simple, but it's not, if that makes any sense to you guys. It's got a lot going on to it, but it wraps into the whole wheel really well. And I think on a truck with like a 6-inch lift or a 7-inch lift, something like that, having these on there in a 22 will look really good. This wheel does have a little bit of a ridge, you'll notice, between the spokes, so it doesn't have an endless lip like some of the other ones we talked about, but I don't think that quite matters as much when you have such a big design going on. You're looking at a 22 by 11.5. That negative 40 is gonna stick out almost as much as your negative 44s will. And coming in at $932, this wheel's sitting pretty dang good for the price. So that's what we got for you guys on this list of our top 5 wheels under $1,000. Are there other ones that we missed that you think we should add? Should we do a part 3 next? Let us know your thoughts below. There's a lot of wheels out there. There's a lot of wheels we can cover. Make sure to comment your thoughts, like, share, and subscribe. Peace.